you can learn practically anything in the world through online. This is the quote said by Mullenweg, the founder of WordPress. So that's true, right? So everything is available for free. If you just close your eyes and think, so what skills I'm just lagging? What I have to improve? What are all the courses I just want to take? Right? For example, let's say if you just want to learn psychology, or let's say blogging, or let's say content creation, or let's say coding, or let's say you just want to learn some new technologies like AI, blockchain, or cybersecurity, quantum computing, or let's say you just want to learn about business, stock market. So whatever it may be, everything is available for free in online. So all you just want to do is to find the best resources to learn that particular skill and the best platform to learn that particular skill. And obviously, you just want to work on that. So in this video, I just want to talk about the most used platforms to learn a new skill. So before going to the video, so if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video and share it with your friends as well. And number one is YouTube. So obviously, this is been one of the best platform to learn any new skill. So if you can see, in every day, in every domain, in every topic, there will be thousands and lakhs of videos is being uploaded. So what you can just do is, you just want to go and you just want to search what you just want to learn and what are the channels you just want to follow to learn the particular skill. For example, let's say you just want to learn data science, or let's say stock market. Even you can just search. So what are the best channels to learn about stock market? So all you can just do is start searching and start learning. And in number two, we have Coursera. So everyone familiar with Coursera. So what's the specialty of this Coursera means? So it partners with universities and organizations to provide you courses in respective skills. So some of the courses are free and some of the courses are paid. But don't worry. So if you just want that paid courses for free, you can just apply for financial aid. And if you want to know how to do that, I have already created a video on that. You can just check it out. And number three is Udemy. So even Udemy is similar to that of Coursera. The one good thing about Udemy is they have courses from different content creators. Like for example, let's say if any famous YouTuber, like they can just create a course and they can just put it on Udemy. Even they should put that. So even you can just take that courses from Udemy as well. So every topic is available. So whatever you just think in your mind, whatever the skill you just want to learn, so you can just learn through these three websites. So it's not limited to these three platforms. There are a lot of available platforms. For example, let's say Free Code Camp, not to learn coding, or let's say Khan Academy, not to learn about fundamentals of maths and stats. Skillshare, even they have an amazing courses, or EDX, or let's say not only this, even the best universities like Stanford or UC Berkeley and as well as MIT. So even these universities provide free courses. Just go to their website and you can just find free courses available to learn. I know that most of the websites which I just said in this video is familiar to you, like YouTube, Coursera, everyone knows that. But the main intention of creating this video is to aware you or to tell you that so everything is available for free. It's up to us to learn and grow. So with that, I will just see you all in the next video. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.